If you're a beginner, the absolute best way to start learning guitar is, first of all, to know what not to do, and secondly, to have the most suitable guitar in your hand for learning. I strongly recommend a steel stringed, slim necked, full size acoustic guitar, even for people as small as 9 or 10-year-olds. And the reason for that is particularly the smaller hand size. Also for women, this slim neck is crucial if your hand is small. This is also what top guitar players play. If you've been trying to learn on a wide string, nylon string guitar, it's very difficult because of the width, and even if you get it right and you want to play acoustic guitar, you actually have to readjust your chord changes later on. So why not start it perfect and simulate the top players as much as possible from the start. This is the neck size they play. This is the body size they play for all pop, rock, folk music, whatever country you come from. The steel strings are also very important. They will hurt your fingertips for the first 3 weeks that you're learning. It's a pain barrier everybody has to go through without exception. But once you get it, you will get these amazing sounds. Exactly like the recordings. Exactly like the recordings. And we teach you how to do all of this on our 10-week beginners program. It cannot be done in 2 or 3 weeks. It takes time.